This is Quinn. To the baby Cockatiels. Bourke'sParakeet. Bobby. Another baby Cockatiel. Rosalie. Basil. Cockatiels again. Right. Oh, you're not hungry, you've just been fed. Hey Quinn. You camera hog. Yeah, you are. Hey Quinn. Hey Quinn. Bobby. Leave the baby's toe for the blank. Alright. Behave. Not having much luck at making friends, are you, Bobby? Hey, babies. Hey. Yeah, you move away then. Hello. Hey. Rosalie. She just had surgery on her wing to remove 3 blood feathers actually. Didn't you, girl? Quinny baby. Quinny baby. Hey Quinn. She's still going. Hey Bobby. Hey Bobby. Quinn. What's your fascination with the camera? Hey Bobby. Oi, Rosalie, leave him alone. Hey Bobby. Say hello Bobby. Hello Bobby. Hello Bobby. Hello Bobby. Now we have everyone in the cage. Bobby! Stop running the cockatiels off the cage. Oi, Rosalie. Leave him alone. Hey. Quinn. Rosalie. Hello, Bobby. Rosalie. Hey. Oh, you're not in a good mood today. And they're off. And Basil ran into the window. Come here, you silly girl. Come here. Come here. You silly girl. Hey? Yeah. Sit down here. Or you can just sit there. These two are platinum pearls and cinnamon pearls split to pie. And Quinn is hiding, but he's a platinum pearl as well. Hey Basil, did you stun yourself a bit, huh? Silly girl. Oh, there he is. Quinn's a platinum pearl too. Quinn! can see you better. That's not very good in here. And these are just some of my birds. There's more cockatiels in the bird room, canoes, Indian ringneck, quaker. And that's it. And then there's these guys. Eh? Yeah, Quinn.